This looks like a really, like a little tiny robot. Look at that. Hello guys, so our parcel have just arrived. I'm not gonna tell you what is inside until we open it all together. So I'm not alone, I'm with my daughter Uru. And say hello. Hello. Ah. So yes, we're gonna open it together and let's see the surprise. Let's see what's inside. In the box we got the SD card, and inside come the big machine. Wow, this is beautiful. First impression in the box, I'm really loving it. You know, this is a camera, guys. For those who don't know what this is a Beast handheld camera. As you can see, looking at you from, you know, you can just see, I mean, the look. This little guy here changed directions like crazy. So let me go and open it and see what's inside and what we can be able to do. So it is compatible with Google. There is an application apparently that I need to use, iMovie and Final Cut Pro. Mac work with okay, and then yeah, again guys, I guess before we do anything, we're gonna go and open. This is a DJI product called OSMO packet. Let's go and see what's inside. There's a late version of this one. There's a Pocket 2, but yeah, man, these things are so expensive. I could only be able to afford this one, and it's what I got. I need to be more nice. Wow, hands on. So excited, guys. So excited. Inside this box, there's a manual, different languages. There's Chinese. There's English. So it's all the guys, DJI. Let me do it this way. So then there's DJI. We're gonna go and open it. And here come our machine. Oh, it's literally tiny, like really tiny. Oh, so simple, like so it's moving, so sensitive. I am already like it can go with the wind, like, you know. Okay guys, let's just try and do things. So there's this little thing that protects it from under, and then we're gonna have to peel off this. And the screen is supposed to be here. And there you go. The SD card supposed to come in here. And the type C. No, my baby. No, my baby. You don't have to be like that. Okay? Okay? Good. So we got this. I'm not over this pocket yet. It's made of hardened plastic. It's got this hole here, and yeah, this is it. Sign DJI. You don't have to mess up with the box, my baby. You can mess up with this one, no problem. Okay? So let's go into it. Can we? Can we, guys? Can we? Oh, and there you go. You're in. So from here, I think you're gonna have to say English. And there you go. You're in. This is so great, guys. This is so great. You know, I like the fact that you turn it. I mean, you can turn the camera, but it doesn't follow you immediately. Oh, no. It doesn't follow you immediately. It comes like after you. So the feel itself is like you can't force it. You just can't force it. Like even if you go faster, it will come slow. There's a trick that I've heard about. Okay, the camera is not, it says not activated. You can't use those shortcuts. But anyway, I guess we're gonna have to connect it to the phone and we see what it's gonna do, guys. I'll see you in a bit.